to Medical TAILORx, your daily dose of health and medical news. I'm Mr. Zaman, and today I'm going to talk about TAILORx trials 12 years of recurrence and survival outcomes in more than 10,000 women with early breast cancer. Long-term recurrence and survival data are now available from the groundbreaking Trial Assigning Individualized Options for Treatment RX or TAILORx trial. With 12 years of follow-up, the updated analysis confirms the original findings that chemotherapy has no benefit for a large proportion of women with early-stage breast cancer. In addition, the longer follow-up reveals unexpected information about late recurrences. There was also a higher risk of early recurrence in Black women. The landmark TAILORx trial gave an evidence-based answer to the question of which women with estrogen receptor-positive or ER-positive and HER2 negative type of breast cancer may benefit from chemotherapy as a potentially life-saving treatment, and which may effectively pursue endocrine therapy or ET alone and avoid the unnecessary side effects of chemotherapy. The study used a molecular test that assesses the expression of 21 genes associated with breast cancer recurrence on a scale of 0 to 100. After following 10,273 women for at least 5 years, TAILORx established that chemotherapy may safely be spared in women with ER-positive and HER2 negative and lymph node negative breast cancer with a 21 gene recurrence score of 0 to 25 who were postmenopausal or older than 50 at diagnosis. It may also be spared in most women with this type of breast cancer who were younger than 50 or premenopausal. The 12-year results of the trial showed that for women with a score of 0 to 25 treated with ET alone, recurrence rates were very low on average, at least than 1% per year over the 12 years. However, more late recurrences occurred beyond 5 years after breast cancer diagnosis than in the first 5 years. The rates of cancer that came back in another part of the body other than the breast remained low, and overall survival rates remained high for women with a score of 0 to 25 when treated with ET alone. However, there was an increasing divergence between rates of distant recurrence and invasive disease-free survival, a measure that includes recurrence, death, and second primary cancers. Distant recurrence rates remained high for those with a score of 26 to 100 despite adding chemotherapy to ET. Black women were at higher risk of recurrence in the first 5 years after diagnosis, but not later. That's all for today. Stay tuned to Medical TAILORx for latest updates.
Never miss a medical update from Medical TAILORx. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.